Hello everyone, I'm Lowie tracking expert at TAGGRS, and today we will set up Google Ads Enhanced Conversions. So what is Google Ads Enhanced Conversions? It's about sending first-party data, mostly phone and email, hashed to Google Ads so we can measure more conversions. We will continue this video from the first setup, in which we have connected our server GTM container to our TAGGRS account, added the needed DNS records, and set up GA4 server-side tracking. So if you haven't seen that video before, please first check it out. I will now briefly show you what we have already set up, and we will work from there. So here we have our web container and our server container. I will go into preview mode. I will have to refresh. So here we have preview mode of our web container, preview mode of our server container, and our actual web shop. We will add an item to our cart, and then we will see that this event has been pushed to the data layer with all e-commerce data. This event makes sure that our GA4 tag fires. Our GA4 tag sends this event to our server container. It enters our server container, and data gets sent to Google Analytics. So more about this in our first video, so please check it out first. Now we will continue to do a purchase, so we can check out the purchase event and then set up Google Ads Enhanced Conversions. So we added it to our cart. Go to checkout. Place order. Let's change it to Belgium. And there. This should have triggered the purchase event. Yes, it did. Let's check out the purchase event. So what do we see? We have some order data and also some first-party data. As you can see, we have first name, last name, address, city, postal code, country, email, and phone. Not because I didn't fill in phone, but if I would have, we would have also have telephone. And here we have it again, the shipping address. So this is the data that we can use for sending to Google Ads. I will show you how to do this. We have already set up GA4, the GA4 tag in our first video, and we will upgrade this event or extend this event with user provided data. So we will check this box. We will select a new variable. You can call it user provided data on purchase event. And then we will have to select email, phone, first name, etc. So we will start with email, new variable. It's a data layer variable, and we can use this tool, data layer checker, to easily select the right attributes. Where is the email address? As you can see, this is the path for the email address, like this. This is a data layer variable. Save it. Phone. It's empty now, but I will also set it up for the for when it gets filled in, and we can also pick it. Let's check phone. Phone is this one. It's also a data layer variable like this. Voila. And you can do it for all the other variables as well. First name, last name, street, city, region, country, postal. For the scope of this video, I will not do it. Also, these ones are the most important ones, but if you have this data available, you can also fill it in. So for now, I will just save it and save the stack. We'll go in preview mode. This is a preview mode of our web container. We will do another purchase. Add to cart. Let's go to checkout. Place order. And we will see a new purchase event normally, but something went wrong. I don't know what happened, but no purchase event was fired to the data layer, so we will trigger it again. And hopefully now we get the event. Yes, now yes. You'll see that we have the email address here, phone number here, and we have a user provided data variable with email and phone. Then we will see that the J4 tag has fired, and with this user provided data variable, as you can see, this data has been sent to our server container. You can see it here. You see this email and phone number has been sent to our server container. It enters our server container, and we have this data available in our server container to use for Google Ads. As you can see here, user data. So now everything that's left is to set up Google Ads conversion tracking. We'll start with the conversion linker. Google Ads conversion linker. We'll fire it on all pages. This tag makes sure to save the Google Click ID and a cookie. This is necessary for measuring the conversion. And then we will set up the actual conversion. Purchase. We'll set up a new purchase event. You can write whatever. You add a conversion action manually. Purchase. Voila. We will use different values for each conversion because now we have e-commerce. If you're having lead gen, you can leave it on same value for each conversion. Also, we want to measure every conversion because when someone buys multiple products in different sessions but still the same user, we want to measure that. We'll put it on 90 days. Save and continue. Then use Google Tag Manager, this is our conversion ID and or purchase label. Google Ads conversion tracking, conversion ID is this one, conversion label is this one, conversion value is, as you can see, it's just value, so we can use this data event data variable. So we will make a new one, event data, and the path is just value, ed value, voila, currency, and this one, make a new one, event data currency, voila, and we will trigger it on a custom event, and the custom event is this, it's purchase. As you can see, event name purchase. Voila, and that's all we have to do. So what is happening? Our purchase event will enter our server container, and upon that event, our Google Ads tag will fire, and it will automatically read and send this data, and it will read this data, this user data, and send it to Google Ads. So that's all we have to do actually. You can see enhanced conversions is set as put on. Also later you can check if you have set it up correct. It will appear here, like after some conversion it will appear here that enhanced conversions has been set up correctly or not. So now we will go back into preview mode and do a last conversion to show you how it works. Voila. Oops, it didn't work again. Let's try again. To cart, go to checkout, and let's place an order. Now we do have purchase event, first party data gets sent to our server container, as you can see here, send it to our server container with the event data. This triggers our Google Ads purchase tag with the right value, with the right currency codes, and also with user data. I don't know if you can see it in the request. Nope. We cannot see it in the request, but it is taking our first party data. So that's all we have to do to set up Google Ads enhanced conversions via server side. That's it for now. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. Oh, and one thing more that I want to show you. We also have templates in our template gallery. 1 second. Oops. We have a template gallery, and in this template gallery we have already set this up for you, so it's much more easy for you to implement this. It just downloads the templates and import it into Google Tag Manager. Also, our blog posts can really help you out. So that's it for now. I hope it was insightful and interesting. I hope you can set it up now. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.